Welcome. If you're tired of getting random or unnecessary notifications from Snapchat on your Android device, you're not alone. These miscellaneous notifications can interrupt your day or clutter your notification shade. The good news is, turning them off is straightforward and can make your Snapchat experience much smoother. Today, I'm going to guide you through the simple, updated steps to turn off those miscellaneous notifications for Snapchat on your Android phone. First, unlock your phone and go straight to your device's settings. This is where you control a lot of your phone's functions, including how apps send you notifications. Scroll down until you find the section called Apps and tap on it. This will bring up a list of all the applications installed on your phone. Now, scroll through the list or use the search function to find Snapchat. Once you tap on Snapchat, you'll enter the app-specific settings. From here, you'll see various options, but the one we're interested in today is Notifications. Tap on Notifications to open the notification settings for Snapchat. Inside Notifications, you'll see several categories of alerts that Snapchat uses to organize its messages. Look for the option labeled Notification Categories and tap on it. This area is designed to let you manage exactly what kinds of notifications you want to receive from the app. Under the General section, you will see an option called Miscellaneous. This category usually covers alerts that don't fit neatly into other groups, which is why these notifications might seem random or unnecessary. To stop these from bothering you, simply find the toggle switch next to Miscellaneous and turn it off. Once toggled off, your phone will no longer show those miscellaneous notifications from Snapchat, keeping your notification panel more organized and less distracting. You're all set. That's it, just a few taps, and you regain control over your notifications without disabling everything from Snapchat. If you want to customize further, feel free to explore the other categories within Snapchat's notification settings. Thanks for watching.